Space travel has always been a dream, a vision of humanity reaching beyond our planet. Today, that dream is becoming a reality, powered by groundbreaking innovations that are reshaping our journey into the cosmos. Let's dive into some of the key technologies that are propelling us toward becoming a multiplanetary species. First up, reusable rockets. Imagine launching a spacecraft, and instead of it becoming space debris, it returns safely to Earth, ready for another mission. Companies like SpaceX have revolutionized this concept. Their Falcon 9 rocket can land back on Earth after delivering payloads to orbit. This innovation drastically reduces costs and makes space travel more accessible. It's a game changer, allowing us to think about frequent missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Next, we have ion thrusters. These engines work differently than traditional rockets. Instead of burning fuel, they use electricity to accelerate ions, creating thrust. This technology is incredibly efficient, allowing spacecraft to travel longer distances with less fuel. NASA's Dawn spacecraft, which explored the asteroid belt, used ion propulsion to navigate through space for years. This efficiency is crucial for deep space missions, where every ounce of fuel counts. Artificial intelligence is another key player in our space exploration efforts. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, make decisions in real time, and even assist astronauts on missions. For instance, the Mars rovers are equipped with AI that helps them navigate the Martian terrain autonomously. This technology not only enhances our exploration capabilities, but also ensures the safety of astronauts during long missions. 3D printing in space is revolutionizing how we build and repair equipment. Imagine being on a spacecraft and needing a tool or a part. Instead of waiting for a resupply mission, astronauts can simply print what they need using a 3D printer. This technology was successfully tested on the International Space Station, where astronauts printed tools and even food. It opens up endless possibilities for sustaining life and conducting research in space. Advanced spacesuits are essential for human survival beyond Earth. These suits are not just protective gear, they are complex systems that regulate temperature, provide oxygen, and even monitor health. The latest designs are more flexible and lightweight, allowing astronauts to move more freely while conducting experiments or exploring alien landscapes. The innovation in spacesuits is crucial as we prepare for missions to Mars, where conditions are harsh and unpredictable. Looking ahead, we can't ignore the potential of quantum and nuclear propulsion. Quantum propulsion could revolutionize space travel by allowing us to travel vast distances in a fraction of the time it takes today. Meanwhile, nuclear propulsion offers the promise of powerful engines that could sustain long-duration missions, making it feasible to send humans to distant planets. These technologies are still in the research phase, but the possibilities they present are thrilling. Each of these innovations tells a story of human ingenuity and determination. They reflect our collective spirit to explore the unknown and push the boundaries of what's possible. As we stand on the brink of becoming a multiplanetary species, it's essential to recognize the journey we've taken and the technologies that will carry us forward. The marvels of space technology are not just about reaching new worlds, they are about uniting humanity in a shared quest for knowledge and discovery. The future of space travel is bright, and we are just getting started.